Hey boys and girls, today we're learning about picture graphs. So picture graphs, instead of using tally marks, use pictures to describe votes. So this is favorite pet. How many people voted for goldfish? Each animal picture is one vote. Sometimes a picture could be two votes, but each picture is one vote. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 people voted for fish. What is the favorite pet? It would be fish. All right, so let's work on reading these graphs. First of all, let's look at the key. Each picture is one vote. Okay, so that's the first thing. You should always check your key. What activity is liked the least? That means it has the smallest amount of votes. Okay, so swimming has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bike riding has 1, 2, 3. Rollerblading has 1, 2. Baseball has 3. So the one with the smallest amount, the least amount of votes, the least liked is rollerblades. I think rollerblading is quite fun, but these boys and girls have a different opinion. Blade. I know your handwriting will be much better. Rollerblade. Which two activities have the same number of votes? You go back up. We remember the bike ride has 3 and the baseball has 3. So we'd put bike riding and baseball. Bikes, and baseball. All right. How many people like to swim and play basketball in all? Oh, play baseball and all. So we need to add that up. So swimming, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 votes for swimming. Baseball is 1, 2, 3. So we add it up. 5 plus 3. So 5 plus 3 is what, guys? You know it is 8. All right. Use the data from the graph to answer the question. So look at the key again. Make sure that each picture is only one vote. So each picture is one vote. So it's how we get to school. Bus, 2 people take the bus. Walk, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 walk. Bike, 1. Car, 2. How do most students get to school? You got to read these carefully. So most people do what, guys? They walk. So we'll write that. Most people walk. How many students ride the bus and ride in cars? So you would add cars and the bus together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 people. How many students voted? So that means we go through and we count how many people were a part of the survey. So let's count the votes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 people voted. How will the graph change if you add another way to get to school? So if we added another way to get to school, maybe walking would have less votes. What would be another way to get to school? Maybe rollerblading? So it could change the votes because some people might vote for something different. Or, there could be more votes. Maybe more people rollerblade than walk to school. So that's one possible answer. Write a question that can be answered using the data in the picture graph. So come up with a question based on this graph. So we've already done how do the most people get to school? We could say what is the least amount? What is the way that the least amount of people get to school? So we could write that down here. That would be biking. So instead of most, how do the least amount of students get to school would be a good question for here.